would you mind explaining how do you define a CBDC?
Yeah, a CBDC is a central bank digital currency. And I would say that the idea for CBDCs actually arose thanks to Bitcoin, because central banks started feeling like potentially Bitcoin could be competition for fiat currencies. And the Bitcoin innovation, peer-to-peer, censorship-resistant distributed ledger, seemed like a technological innovation that central banks felt like they had to compete with. They're not wrong about that. The problem there is that they basically tried to create their own private blockchains that have attendant cryptocurrencies on them that circulate on these blockchains that are central bank controlled. However, in recent years, there's also been a lot of pushback against the use of blockchain technology for CBDCs at all. And so the newer implementations and technical architectures for CBDCs actually aren't even really cryptocurrencies. They're basically just centralized digital ledgers, no different from the centralized digital ledgers that already exist for, say, commercial bank money or Federal Reserve balances. And so there's been a lot of, from my point of view, innovation theater around CBDCs, a lot of pilots, proofs of concept, companies being contracted to architect these things. But in the end, it just comes down to a centralized ledger of fiat money.
That doesn't necessarily need a consensus mechanism.
Right.
I see.